Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 4044R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a cab, heat, and air. Has the John Deere H180 quick attach front loader to go with it. Tractor has just under 400 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. We are currently using this tractor for some property maintenance, so the hours are likely going to creep up on it, but currently has just under 400 hours. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. It's got the front grill guard, quick attach on the front loader here, bucket, doesn't hardly show any wear. R4 industrial tires, level indicator here in your bucket, front work lights on the cab. We just serviced the tractor June 8 of 2018, 387 hours, and again we are using this tractor for property maintenance, so the hours will creep up on it. It's got the rear work lights in the cab as well. Get your controller back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Also have the Hitch Assist, which allows you to move the tractor from the ground back here, forward and reverse. Really handy when you're hooking 3-point attachments. Stabilizer bars and 3-point 540 PTO. Very clean tractor, runs and works just like it should. Inside the cab, it's got the full suspension seat. It's got the tilt steering wheel, the four-wheel drive engagement right here on the dash. Loader control here to the right, 3-point control. Also have the PTO engagement and your Hitch Assist your motion match, speed match, and there's one other option there they can't think of right now, but all those controls are right there on the side console. There's a couple here to the left, some books here. Up top it's got the climate controls, radio here to the top left of the cab. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact